Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. Today we start inflorescence, which is the arrangement of flowers on the floral axis. Inflorescence helps in plant classification and affects pollination. We will learn the main types, Racemose, Cymose, and some special types important for exams. So, without further ado, let's get started. This slide shows the syllabus and PYQ topics with their years, so you know what to expect in exams. Let's talk about Racemose inflorescence. In Racemose inflorescence, the main axis keeps growing and doesn't end in a flower. Flowers grow on the sides in acropetal order, older flowers at the base and younger ones at the top. Examples include mustard, radish, amaranthus, and gulmohar. Remember, Racemose means arrangement in acropetal order, important for exams. Let's talk about Cymose inflorescence. In Cymose inflorescence, the main axis ends in a flower, so growth stops. Flowers are arranged in basipetal order, older flowers at the top and younger ones at the base. It can be monocasial, dicasial, or polycasial cyme. Examples are jasmine, bougainvillea, and solanum. Remember, Cymose means basipetal, an important point for exams. Now, let's talk about special inflorescence. Some plants have special types of inflorescences important for exams. In Cyathium, euphorbia, the inflorescence is reduced and looks like a single flower. Hypanthodium, ficus, has many tiny flowers inside a fleshy structure, like a figure. Verticillaster, Lamiaceae, is when opposite cymes appear as a whorl at a node. Let's quickly summarize what we learned. In Racemose inflorescence, the main axis keeps growing, and flowers develop acropetally means older flowers at the base, younger at the top. Examples, mustard, radish, gulmohar. In Cymose inflorescence, the main axis ends in a flower, so growth stops, and flowers develop basipetally means older at the top, younger below. Examples, jasmine, bougainvillea, solanum. Remember these keywords: acropetal means Racemose, basipetal means Cymose. Let's practice few questions to test your knowledge. Let's start with question 1. Which of the following is an example of Racemose inflorescence? Option A. Jasmine. Option B. Mustard. Option C. Bougainvillea. Option D. Solanum. Explanation. Mustard is correct because its main axis keeps growing, and flowers develop acropetally means older at the base, younger at the top. Jasmine, bougainvillea, and solanum are wrong because they have Cymose inflorescence, where the main axis ends in a flower. So, option B is the correct answer. Now, let's move to question 2. In which type of inflorescence does the main axis end in a flower? Option A. Racemose. Option B. Cymose. Option C. Cyathium. Option D. Hypanthodium. Explanation. Cymose is correct because the main axis ends in a flower, so growth stops, and flowers develop basipetally means older at the top, younger below. Racemose is wrong because its axis grows indefinitely with acropetal flower development. Cyathium and Hypanthodium are special types, so they are also incorrect. So, option B is the correct answer. That's all for inflorescence in flowering plants. We learned Racemose and Cymose types, their differences, and special types like Cyathium, Hypanthodium, and Verticillaster with examples. Remember NEET keywords like acropetal for Racemose and basipetal for Cymose. Focus on special inflorescence structures and examples. Next, we'll study flowers, their structure, types, and modifications. Don't miss our daily NEET MCQs and PYQs, and biology podcast playlists are linked in the description and in the cards above. See you in the next video.